Jumapili ya umwanchi umurigere rwegetaseni kia Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mu Gusii na ritkoria ondi gendrete ko bari toiro kegima na nene no gendrete kwegokya ase okubwatia emirobere yonsi yegetaseni kia Ndizi TV nigo kire kitariki 5 cyo mutinyo gatatu omwaka bwe 2023 nekera bano turoche bunabarayi aho nigo bagendrete wesokya na nene ko muchiki gambiro kubwatikana nuko nacho kuba bete bawete kugwanchera richiko lya LGBTQ eliari okonyoma na abantu bejinsi ya musubati asumusubati gose omusacha ase omusacha igono ne chinga kingia ekero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba chinga kingo kwarigani SMS Amayia eri onkomanyebuna naraya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge nyora nabakondera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabogo twitwetera ati Ndizi TV News eri otogendre gusanga amange eri triane Everline Osero kabana nchwe komwerio Ngokwariga ntachaka maye Chinsa Ikomi korwase county ya Kisii awase amatemo korwase Chinsemo chia jogo imemo chyo Kisii chieganetie obokonyi bwe chiringe cyo chire 1 milioni 4.5 eriyo kumuirera omwanobo aserieta Diana Alex yake mto asenyagatari Chinsemo chia bwindi eriyo konyora obowenya mwano yo nigabeirega gutwara umuchando bwo mutu ayobeirega go kumuirera ko irwa chinyagatari chinyinge korende tarabaka gokonyeka asbono aganire ko irwa sensemo ya bwindi eriachie ko bweniwa gukwana negetaseni kia Ndizi TV nigo mwano yo akuteba bunana aganityo bokonyi asengencho nigo aganitinera kwegenderea na masoma ye na wikirania endoto yaye yokoba umunyagetari tigatonyororo roboti oruo
mutinyo January mwaka oyo agachaka complain yo mutu asabekero mupire side akorera o pass out oraro sno etari kawaida tukana nyagetari kero bakore scan akanyora there is an issue there is bleeding of the scalp ku subdural hematoma manyingale both sides manyingale side ya mara mange akobeka pressure sobongo na ali asumupiro liobekire ventricle ya beire yani it has narrowed ya push yo mupiro ulikuchia sobongo and there's an infection that makes the brain fight itself. Toka discuss at length na banyagetari tokara banyagetari wetu agateba eme yake aguchukuligererios mwaka 6 batemira seba konyara bagato advice to try another option maybe outside the country toka banyagetari agatorikere referral letter tukakwana n'ekinyagetari tukanyora nyagetari lakini bone biliere igoro chitakere 4.5 that we are not able to raise as at now kugara to spend real treatment therapy ndagira special diet that is so we are not able to raise chibesecho in a short span of time.
Mwanchi muri ribana no kwegenda na ya mateine chikonyora bokonye kero muri kyo itomilureni momanya gendrete ko bwati oroboti urura chikonyora senchira yoboikiranwe kerera aragense yemo na boigo Chinsa isato cha mogoroba togotina nayo ni go mokonyi mo murai bwense rigadi gashawa ane na gendrete ko mochia ense mire kwa mereria serikali yazimio la umoja wa Kenya asemero berio yoko ganya gokora emesangirikano gusama ndamano imeyense ya Kenya okwana se umusangirikano bwa masabo ase kanisa ya Jesus Wina Ministry memochio Nairobi gashagwa nigo mono amochio pokoreri bwa serikali ya eta inse ye kyama ya Jubilee askira watane ni benyinge ya serikali nigo yabeteke gusira nigaine kyabuna asnachi samatkare bosyo nachi wasyo kyabuna chibesa chia serikali gose chia ense ya Kenya cyaba chigusira asegeka kyemetinye tato morali omusomo bwi ase kirogo kyobora bonene bwense atararwa asobo choryo bonene bwo mwakoeta.
Hawa watu napanga maandamano ati bei ya unga iko juu. Sisi tukiingia tulikuta unga 230. Tumengangana imeteremuka 180 inaendelea chini. Hawa watu walipora nchi hii. Pesa yote ya Kenya in the next few days I will be releasing details of billions of shillings looted from the public coffers in the last 3 months of the Uhuru administration and announce the ministers and PSs responsible so that Kenyans can know. Pesa ya Kenya yote saa ile waliona uchaguzi umeharibika, walibeba na magunia. Hata hii petition huyu mzee ya maandamano hakuwa anataka, alisukumwa aweke petition to allow them room wakati ya Supreme Court inasikiza kesi waibe mali ya Kenya between the time IBC announced William Ruto as president.
Ensemo ya barai ba Kenya Kwanza nigo becokirie na kugikiria ukuna chawe kigambire kinene gia Supreme na LGBTQ bagenderere korosie biombe byabo byobwene. Abarai abo nigo bateru no kuna choko nigo kurema mincha na maigerio ya Afrika. Nigo bayakwana aso musangirikano bwogo chakia amatko emerengo kianda yokorwania chisegi chiegenga asbara wano women representative we county ya Kirinyaga Njeri Maina na boigo o women rep we county ya Embu Pamela Njoki.
Neno ya LGBTQ na niseme ya kwamba ni makosa sana kutunga sheria ambazo hazihudumii wananchi. Manake tunajua ya kwamba sisi tuko na culture na mila yetu kama Africans, sio? Nataka niambie wale wazungu kule, manake wasifikirie eti sisi ni wajinga ama hatujui vile tunataka kuendeza maneno yetu. Na President wetu William Samoei Ruto, he has been very open about it. It is not something we will support. We will not condone anyone misleading our children and our future generations.
Kama Chief Justice anakubalisha gay na lesbian, mimi nataka niambie Chief Justice ashike wanaume wawili afungie. Wakitoka na mtoto mimi nitakubali gay kuwe. Sisi tunataka kuambia Chief Justice tukiwa Kirinyaga, vijana wa nchi hii wamekataa chama ya sisi kwa sababu hii nchi imewekwa kwa msingi wa Ukristiano na Uislamu na jamii na utamaduni wetu hauturuhusu kufanya mambo mengine.
Ensemo ya barai kurwase obomo bwazimio la umoja wa Kenya nigo bagendrete kumochia serikali anena sokorosia chia BC echo chitaria se katiba yani gago chamagiga yokorosi wana kuigura kwa BC umurugi bo Prime Minister Musalia Mudavadi ase abarai abo batere na ABC yote ya bwenerete korosiwa wakona sensemo ya madungu ebunge ya Ugunja nigo murai bwabake Opio Wandayi atebire na nigo bago chia kuganie kigambiro goswana nagati.
They have now gone ahead and started creating positions for their wives using public money. Positions which are not recognized by the Constitution or any other law. It is shameful. It is a total waste of public money. And if they go ahead, if they don't stop that practice, which is illegal and unconstitutional, I will be raising the issue in Parliament. And as I raise it in Parliament, I will be sponsoring a petition in court to declare those offices illegal and unconstitutional. And if any money has been used, any public money has been used in their creation, whoever has been responsible will be forced to refund that money with plus interest.
Gayism and lesbianism in this country is declared illegal by the Constitution, and then you are saying that the association is allowed. If you are saying that the association of footballers is allowed, then you are saying that you are allowing footballers to play football.
Sisi tunataka kabla tunaenda pia kwa hiyo maandamano yenye tunaenda kabla ya kuangamia mambo tunajua uchumi wetu imeharibika, lakini hiyo pia ikuwe condition number 1 ya kwamba tunataka reforms katika IBC.
Abarai kurwase kiama National Congress ANC nigo bakanire ogwatana nwa kwe byama ebyo birase obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza ukona chinga kecho niga abarai abo begereire kiama ekyo na batana nigo kegendrete gotenena bokongu ase emunenchira ya moyo koreta magendero ase omo Kenya nigo baganirie bali abagoteba buno gwataneka kobego gokorekana gotiga mangana mangage siasa korende koriye chinchera cyo gukora emechando gusama kongwari Kenya bawetera.
Money party is not going to fold. We are an independent party. We are part of the Kenya Kwanza coalition.
Mwenye anapiga makelele akisema vyama vivunjwe, sasa si wakati wa kusema vyama vivunjwe. Sasa ni wakati wa Kenya wanatarajia viongozi ambao tulichaguliwa, rais, wabunge, governors to deliver. Kwa hivyo tunaomba mwenye anapiga makelele mambo ya vyama kuvunjwa, inafaa hiyo sio agenda kuu Mkenya anataka kusikia saa hii. Chama ya Amani National Congress iko kidete, na ninataka niambie wafuasi wetu wote katika taifa hili ya kwamba chini ya uongozi ya Governor Timami kama party leader tuko kidete, tuko ngangari, wasiwe na wasiwasi, ijawapo sisi tunaunga serikali ya leo.
Omugavana wa county ya Uasin Gishu Jonathan B nigaburirie serikali gutuguterare umurobere wa masomo o CBC na kugendereria noria 0844 aya nigate guseni gate biruna umurobere yo muya bwekisemi nigobwenete kurigereriwa bwikiranu ase obwagare korwa Chinsa mochonsi anena sensemo ya baiboli abalimu aborokiwa na boigo serikali eriyo kwendekia ogwikirani wa senchira ya bene.
The first time, I don't have really serious authority to mention about the CBC thing, because in the first place when it was started, or when they came up with this idea of CBC, they didn't involve stakeholders. So parents really don't understand this thing. And I'm sure, okay, my children are first CBC, but I know the parents are not happy because of the cost the cost of CBC education.
Abarokiwa bali bali bakorwa ase chiamate chitari kwenyara imeye county ya Nairobi nigo bono barachiko konyeka kwegendereria ase amasomabo ayambagega ya serikali ya county ya Kisii kobwatuka chibasari echo chisaine chiringi bilionia ya murobiro chagetuwe no mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ase aganirie abagose abayiboli bali batari kwenyara kwenekya bunango soke barabana babo iribanyoro bokonyi begendererie ase amasomabo.
We made a commitment that no deserving student with financial difficulties will be excluded from the opportunity to further pursue their education. Siasa sio uadui. Politics is not enmity. Wakati uchaguzi kila mtu atarudi kwa chama yake afanye kazi ya chama. Lakini wakati baada ya uchaguzi na kabla ya uchaguzi hawa wananchi wanataka maji, wanataka huduma bora, wanataka kazi, wanataka
Mwanchi omulire libonongo sabo kwabiro Johnson Sakaja no mugavana we county ya Nairobi tariye county ya Kisii buna nateba buri tangani wikiranga nongo korera mayaye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ereyo bwenge korendege koraga ense mona wigo Chinsa isato cha mugoroba no chikumira na nere Josephat Amisi eria kumanye amanke asenchera ereyo bwikiranu nyora nabakondera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabago tweet ati Ndizi TV News eryo togendere gusanga mange umurobere obwe misa Jumapili ngo gochirora se kagetari getambe korubono buno koretwa sore na Joseph Mokogoti naniga kumanya bunari tkoria rero nabwate abageni ase studio gaiga nabwato mugeni okoroku Conrad Kindo oyure omoteri bwe kwaya ase kanisa ya St Paul Nyangongo nabayigo nabwate Irene Okeya oyuboyigo ore omwana kwaya gusomoteri ase kwaya yu gobana ontoche koiwe ngosembachiye gotomanyia manke anene kubwatikana nali bakora se kanisa yabo anena sowekini asensemo ya matera wono mwanchi muri gendera kubwatie meroberi yonsi tobasa guskare ni wakabeire na inche Everline Osero kero tobwatirana nere John Kebati kwene kyabuna erio gine chibicha chawekeire asenchira yabene twarubuligere borobya nabayige magoroba irento ereru